ano po ang kailangan ng ating pamahalaan sa kasalukuyan? Kailangan na ba nating umalis dito sa... kumbaga, ano ang magiging role ng taong bayan ukol dito? Kasi ang nangyayari, pag sinabi ng government na ganito, ganyan, agad ba nating paniniwalaan? Lalo na tingin natin, una sa lahat, hindi naman ito yung nababanggit sa panahon ng kampanya. Sinuportahan namin siya dahil ganito yung sinabi niya sa kanyang kampanya, lalo na pagdating sa foreign policy, friends to all, enemy to none, hindi hahayaan ang Amerika o di kaya hindi hihingi ng tulong sa Amerika para maresolba itong away sa pagitan ng China at Pilipinas. Yet ito ngayon ang nababanggit. At kumbaga, nililid tayo, yung ating mga kababayan, na ito yung naratibo na dapat nating pagtuunan ng pansin.
Well, tama ka, Admar, no? This strategy actually is not working, and it's clearly is not working, no? Number one, we are being made a pariah now of the ASEAN region, no? No matter how much Bongbong Marcos begs the other ASEAN nations, makikita mo lang, if you look at press releases, sino bang sumusuporta sa ating stand dyan sa West Philippine Sea na yan? Di ba? Yung mga collective West countries lang, the likes of UK, France, Australia, Japan, and South Korea. Pero kung titingnan mo, yung ating mga ASEAN brothers, especially Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, Vietnam, to a certain degree, Cambodia, and even Brunei, wala sila eh. And in fact, they are encouraging the Philippines to tweak its strategy with China in the South China Sea. Now, going back to your question is this, no? I think we should go back to what PRRD started, his foreign policy, an independent foreign policy, which was actually, you were right, was promised by Bongbong Marcos during the campaign, na kanyang i-continue, no? The continuity of that foreign policy, no? The problem is, after BBM's first visit to America, he made a 180-degree turn. So, people are saying that there's a quid pro quo there, no? May mga arrangement na, say, when he came back, I mean, immediately you have additional 4 EDCA sites, and there's talk of another 6. Even Balabac Island now is being, a runway, a 3-kilometer runway is being constructed. They are deepening the ports. I mean, Balabac Island is the last frontier, the most beautiful, even more beautiful than Boracay. Gagawin nilang EDCA site. The same with Batanes. Batanes just sits less than 100 kilometers of the southernmost tip of Taiwan. And Mr. Xi Jinping has repeatedly said that the red line for China is not the South China Sea. The red line for them is Taiwan. And we are just literally a stone's throw away from Taiwan. We're just about 67 kilometers. Pagka tinuloy nila yung base dyan sa Marubilis Island ba yun? So talagang, Admar, no, talagang nakakabahala, to be honest, because this is leading, not just leading us to nowhere, but it's leading us to a very precarious position.